Hey, top of the good morning to you, everybody. How are you today? Yeah, no, I'm a psycho, right? Alright, today we're going to do a little bit of mix and matching. Okay, I'm going to come in with my Clara Cosmetics. Look at that, it's a stunning case. Clara Cosmetics Abu Dhabi palette. And I am going to come in with Sizzling highly pigmented, guys. These palettes are highly pigmented, so make sure you tap them off. I love it. I love it when you guys come up with some suggestions, because it's not the easiest thing to come in here and do a completely different look every day, so I appreciate it. I just wanted to say thank you for some of the most amazing, lovely comments that are coming through on both, really, on my Instagram and my YouTube, because they're all so sweet. You know, like it's one of those things, we all learn together and help each other, and yeah, you've been absolutely amazing. It's been really, really nice. So thank you to everyone that's been giving me some encouragement and, you know, give me that little bit of a push. Alright. I'm gonna get a little bit out there. I'm gonna grab a little cotton bud. It's actually what I use to apply all my eyeshadow with, I should say. I'm actually gonna come in here in like a bee. Hey folks, alright, since I went away for just a wee bit and everything changed, so I don't know, we're going with the flow and I'm just filling in the teeth. Once this dries, I'll come back in with my black Master Precise All Day Maybelline pen eyeliner. The blue, wow. I picked up this Lip Timber in blue. It's spectacular, I love it. It's actually on my eyelids as well. Don't waste anything around here. With blue lips. Blue eyeshadow. Purple, I don't know what that's doing. Anyway, it's all in good fun. Something funny though, hubby's due home in the next hour or so. He could be scared. He could be scared. Alright. I think that's about it for the teeth. So like I said, I will have to go back over. I've got two here. I've got one by, oh, they're both Maybelline actually. I'll just dry it down a little bit. I look like a clown skull. I don't know. Can't say I'm not colourful, that is for sure. Oh, dearie. The things we do. You know, there are no rules, guys. It's just makeup. You can make up whatever you want. Make up any design. Like I said, there are some very highly skilled people out there. Hubby will love this. Anything artistic, so he's very encouraging when it comes to this sort of stuff, or anything really. Right, so just going to go back over my lips themselves on the inside. Okay, so I don't know whether I look scary. Pretty scary? I don't know. I think maybe I need to take the hairband off because that really wasn't where I was going with it this morning. So there you have it. Sorry I didn't put it all in there. I will have to do one from the start where I show you exactly what I'm doing. So, but half the time I've got no idea. I'm just mucking around, so I don't know. I'm gonna try not to smile. I always smile, so I've got to look nasty. I can't even do that. Alright, folks. Thank you as always for tuning in. You are our all absolute legends, especially if you sat through this video. Thank you again. Please take care of you, and I will catch you again soon. Bye bye.